Good morning, student. Student, topic polynomial, exercise 2.3, question number 3. Question is, obtain all the zeros of polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two zeros of the polynomial are root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3. So you have to find all the zeros. Since this polynomial is of 4 degree, so it is having 4 zeros. 2 zeros are given and you have to find the other 2 zeros. Now see the solution. Since there are 2 zeros which are x equal to root 5 upon 3 and x equal to minus root 5 upon 3. These 2 zeros are given. From this, we will get root 3x minus 5 equal to 0, minus root 5 equal to 0, and root 3x plus root 5 equal to 0. Or we will get gx, which is divisor is root 3x minus root 5 into root 3x plus root 5. Now there is a formula a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So it is root 3x square minus root 5 square, which is 3x square minus 5. Student, let it is px. Now we divide px by gx by long division method. Therefore, three x square minus 5 divided by 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Student, to obtain the first term of the quotient, it is 3x power 4 divided by 3x square. There is 3x power 4, this is 3x square, here 3 cancel, square cancel, so it is x square. It is the first term of quotient. So there is x square. Now we multiply this x square with this term, so we will get 3x power 4 minus 5x square. Then subtract, minus plus is cancel out, then it is 6x cube plus 3x square. Now the second term of the quotient, it is 6x cube divided by 3x square, is x square cancel, 3 2 ja, so it is 2x, is plus 2x. Now multiply this 2x with the divisor, we will get 6x cube, there is a minus 10x and minus 10x. Now subtract it, minus plus is cancel out, there is 3x square minus 5. Now the second term of quotient. Third term of the quotient, it is 3x square. This is also 3x square. Is cancelled, it is 1. So there is plus 1, multiply 1 with this term, we will get 3x square minus 5, sign change, all term cancelled, remainder is 0. So this is the quotient. Quotient qx equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Student, there is a formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square. 1 can be written as a 1 square. So it is x plus 1 whole square. So other zeros are x plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0. From this we will get minus 1 and minus 1. So the other zeros of this polynomial are minus 1 and minus 1. There are 4 zeros, 2 are these and next 2 are minus 1 and minus 1. Student, next is question number 4. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, let it is px. The quotient and remainder, quotient qx is x minus 2 and remainder rx is minus 2x plus 4. Respectively, find gx. This you have to find. Student, see, this is a division algorithm. There is px equal to qx into gx plus rx. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here it is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to qx x minus 2 into gx. This we have to find plus rx, it is minus 2x plus 4. From this we will get x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus plus 2x minus 4 equal to x minus 2 into gx. Then it is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. There is x minus 2 into gx. Now we will find gx. So gx equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Now divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. There is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. There is x cube So first term of the quotient is x square, since x cube upon x equal to x square. So it is x cube minus 2x square. Multiply this term by x minus 2. Subtract minus plus is cancel out. Minus x square plus 3x. Now, second term of the quotient is minus x. Since it is minus x square, divide by x, we will get minus x. So minus x square plus 2x. Then plus minus. Then it is x minus 2. Then there is x minus 2, it is also x minus 2, it is plus 1. So it is x minus 2. Subtract minus plus is cancelled. Therefore, gx equal to x square minus x plus 1. Gx is x square minus x plus 1.